Well, hello again, YouTube. Looks like we're making some more progress on our little project here of putting Terminator X into Nacho Libre. So I'll do the easy one first. The easy one here is this little adapter that I had to make. The little plug is provided, and I just needed to adapt the existing throttle position sensor connector here to this connector that's on the Terminator X. It's pretty straightforward since the wires are the same color in the Term-X harness as they are in the existing one. So it's just, put the little connectors on the end, the little water seals, solder them up a little bit, and then crimp, and then put the connector together, and we're all good to go on that one. And it means I can replace the throttle position sensor if it goes bad because it has a factory stock connector on it. Now the other one is a little bit more tricky to do, and that's putting in the wideband O2s. So that's a little bit trickier to film because it's sort of down there, way buried underneath the car. But we'll give it a shot and see what happens. So up here is the top end of that, hooked into the main harness. There's a little adapter that connects from the main harness to the big Molex connector here that you see on a lot of wideband O2s. So let's have a crack and see what we can see when we go onto the car, and we'll show you how we did that. Oh, down we go. Okay, let's see if there's enough light down here to sort of see what I'm doing. Hold on. Okay. Oh, for the love of God. Okay. Alrighty. Anyway, let's see how that looks. Okay, you can barely see it up there, but there is the O2 sensor plug. I have an O2 sensor plug that I had from another project, so that's kind of sitting up there, and that blocks that off. And then the wideband O2 is over here, and you can just see the O2 and the wiring down there like that. One wideband is fine. I'll take one wideband over two narrow bands that are kind of useless and don't give you any sensor resolution. So this is the magic of modern wideband engine tuning. Basically, this thing is now going to be able to know what kind of air fuel is coming into the engine by testing to see what kind of leftover oxygen is in the exhaust stream. And from that, you'll be able to adjust your fuel to make maximum power. So that and the increased resolution and, sensitivity of the Term-X ECU is going to make for getting this thing actually making the power it should be making as a heads cam and intake 5.0. So that being said, well, I guess we'll sort of see you next time. I'll try and get my way out from under the car now. So take care, and we'll see you later.